Today we're gonna do a standard oil change service for the bike. 2023 Norden 901 Expedition. We'll start with removing the bash plate. I purchased this guy and I highly recommend you want to get yourself a nice oil kit change. There's 3 liters, but I think that actually 2.8 is what you need. And the filter, this is the filter that should work. We start with 4 screws, 8mm each. Then on the right side, this little guy, it is torque 45. You do need a 13 key in order to hold the bolt on the other side. There are 2 screws on the other side, and there's actually 2 here, or 3, but I never retie them back. Now we're going to open that bad boy. Put it on the side. And we're going to remove this one and this one, which is 13. They're gonna start draining the oil, and we're gonna open this one and this one, which I think it's 6 or 8. I need to check. And pull the filter out and let it drain. Oh, the engine needs to be fairly hot, so I ran it a little before. Everything is out. I had to use the pliers gently to pull this guy out after taking both of the bolts that are 8mm. Those are the 2 long ones with a filter, with the little metallic filters, and this is the actual filter. Okay, we're gonna clean those real good. Clean that part. I took the rubber out. Gonna give it after a little oil on it, and put the filter back in and put it back in. So I put the filter first back in, the same orientation that I took it out. Those 2 screws was 6 Newton meter, which is 4.6 torque, pound torque. And those 2, put them in. It's 14.8. I put it just 15 or 20 Newton meter. Now we're measuring 2.8 liter. I think there's total here of 3 because we changed the filter the last time. I saw that was a bit low, so I added a little more than the 2.8. Let's see what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna put 2.8, wait for it to go all the way, let it set for a minute, start the engine, let the oil go around the parts, let it sit, and check the window. We ran it once, let it sit. I added 1 more, like to 2.9 instead of 2.8. Gonna give it another little run. Get the oil going and then measure it. I think that should be fine. Last part is resetting the service. So we're going to set, going down to settings. We don't click anything, we just hold up and down at the same time for 5 seconds. So holding, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. You go here, distance, you change to whatever distance you want the service to go again. I put 45, click set. If it's not 45, I tell it to do it by year, set, back, and basically turn it off.